I'm Miss Iris, and today on Wacky Wednesday, we're going to be making slime. I know you've probably made slime before, and you've made all kinds of slime. The different colored slime, the puffy slime, slime with different little tidbits in it that make it textury, and you can feel it very well. But today, we're going to just use 2 ingredients to make edible slime, slime that you can eat. So, we're going to use just some 1 cup of Jello pudding, and I choose today to use chocolate, a snack pack of Jello pudding. And then we're going to use cornstarch, which is our second ingredient. Can you see that? Just cornstarch. That's usually used to thicken gravies and sauces and stews and soups. So we're going to use that today to help thicken our slime. And the best thing to do today is to lay out something on your table that you're using, and I'm using parchment paper, and so I won't make such a mess when I start combining the ingredients. So I'm going to take this whole cup of chocolate pudding and put it right in a bowl. And that tastes good. Then what we're going to do is we're going to start measuring. This is about a teaspoon at a time. Let me wipe it off just a little bit. Better yet, I'll just eat it. Okay. Very good. So it's getting a little thicker. Let me show you. We need to add 2 more. Let's make these more rounded teaspoonfuls. So that's our 3rd one. This is our 4th one. We kind of made a heap of 2 teaspoons. And we're gonna stir, 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 stir. Getting thicker, look at that. Woo. But we still need more. Okay. This time, why don't we just go all in and do. Okay, so it's starting to form into a little ball, and we're going to have to knead it. So I'm just going to put just a little bit of cornstarch on the parchment paper, a little bit, whoops, I want to turn it over, on my hands, and then we're going to take out this big ball. Can you see how it looks now? Patty caking it down. I'm gonna make a smiley face. All right, does that look like a smiley face? It'll be great fun for hours and hours. I hope you try this soon. All right then, next time on Wacky Wednesday. Bye-bye.